If you use Edge browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply stop Edge browser from sharing your phone number. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Edge browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Edge browser. Then having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the bottom side. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to addresses and more. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off this button. So with that, Edge browser will no longer be able to share your phone number, your email address, your shipping address to any external apps or any website that you do not trust. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.